All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and I'm headed to Milwaukee. All right, so when this goes live, I will be getting on an airplane and headed to Milwaukee. My hometown, in case you didn't know that, I was born and raised in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I know I'm in the South, but it's where I was born. So hopefully I'm going to get to see some family while I'm up there. But more importantly, I'm going to be at the New Tool Symposium with Milwaukee Tools. So I'm going to get to bring you information about all the new stuff coming out from Milwaukee in the next year. Lots of cool stuff, I'm sure. I don't know what's coming, so if you want to see that coverage, make sure and subscribe. All of next week's videos are probably going to be all Milwaukee stuff, so I will be there. I'm flying in Wednesday. I'll be there till Friday. The symposium is on Thursday, so should be pretty awesome. I'm excited for Milwaukee to be bringing me to my hometown, so hope you look forward to all the new stuff from Milwaukee Tools. So make sure and subscribe so you can see it all happening. And for sneak peeks, you might want to go to my Instagram at flatratemaster on Instagram and flatratemaster official on Facebook. Hopefully we'll all love what's coming out from Milwaukee. And thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master, and keep an eye out for new tools from Milwaukee.